This is my radio clock radio that my parents bought before my wife was born in South Korea. I got this clock radio when I was living in Oak Ridge, Tennessee, and it's still working for many long years. Either my wife is one incredibly young chicken, or this clock radio is incredibly old. Maybe. Anyway, what is so amazing about this clock radio, which is older than my wife, is that this radio is not made in Japan. It's made in Hong Kong, China, which I find it extremely impressive. Obviously, you can see the time perfectly. Let's see whether the radio actually works. I'll turn on the radio. On. Well, the radio isn't that bad. A little static. Anyway, maybe I should throw this clock radio away, even though it works perfectly fine for my application. I just need this clock radio to keep me awake early in the morning when I have a job interview or when I go off to work. Obviously, it's pretty beaten up, this clock radio. It's an amazing piece of engineering work from the Chinese. I didn't say Japanese. I said amazing work from the Chinese. I'm pretty impressed with their ability to manufacture this incredible clock radio, which is as old as my wife right now. To be honest, I think this clock radio can survive another decade or two, but the reason why I'm going to trash this clock radio is that it's not really energy efficient. It's not energy efficient. In other words, the amount of energy that this clock radio uses in a given year may cost actually cheaper if I actually buy a new clock radio. So I'm planning to not use this clock radio anymore, but use my Samsung tablet and my cell phone as my alarm clock. My Samsung cell phone and my tablet to set the alarm, because I can save more electricity by using my tablet and my cell phone instead of using this old clock radio. But usually a cell phone lasts for two years on average, but yet this clock radio lasted for decades. Yeah, I'm quite impressed with the engineering done on this clock radio by the Chinese. Maybe it's Japanese technology, but the Chinese manufacturing is obviously incredibly superior to any manufacturing done by other products. Yeah, today is February the 2nd, 2015. Right now, Sarah is about 3 months of age, and I'm just making this video blog just so that she knows how old this clock radio is when she is old enough to see this. Thank you.